Imagine charging your electric car in minutes, traveling twice as far and never worrying about battery fires. This isn't distant science fiction. It's the promise of the solid-state battery revolution, set to transform technology as we know it. Lithium-ion batteries power our devices and a rising tide of electric vehicles, but after decades, they're reaching their limit. They're slow to recharge, lose capacity over time, and sometimes catch fire under stress. The shortcomings are glaring. Here's why. Lithium-ion batteries use a flammable liquid electrolyte, which limits safety and power. When pushed too hard, dendrites can grow, causing short circuits and fires. Solid-state batteries replace that liquid with a solid. This change is a game changer. The solid electrolyte is non-flammable and prevents dendrite growth, enabling much higher battery capacity. With pure lithium metal, batteries last longer and store much more energy. Imagine, instead of waiting hours, your car is ready after minutes. Your phone lasts for days. Solid-state batteries can endure thousands of charging cycles, losing little capacity. Some predict double today's lifespan. Prototypes from leading companies show remarkable results: safety, faster charging, and higher energy density. Major players like Toyota, Samsung, and QuantumScape are racing to bring solid-state to market. Automakers hope to launch the first solid-state powered cars as early as the mid-2020s. But every breakthrough comes with hurdles. Making a solid that conducts ions as well as a liquid is tough. Many solid electrolytes are brittle, expensive, or require high-precision manufacturing. Mass production at scale remains a huge obstacle. Scaling up will take more research and investment. And there's the price. Early solid-state batteries will be costly, but prices are expected to fall fast. Solid-state batteries have moved from speculative hope to real-world prototypes and near-future products. Should you care? Absolutely. Solid-state technology could reshape transportation, clean energy, and more. Imagine affordable electric cars with a range of gasoline, grid batteries backing up renewables, and lighter devices. With longer-lasting, safer batteries, resources are used more efficiently and less e-waste is created. Cleaner, more sustainable energy storage is a step toward a better future for everyone. All the frustrations with current batteries have sparked a wave of innovation. Solid-state batteries are more than a lab experiment. They're the holy grail scientists have chased for decades. Soon, they could power your car, your home, your entire day, reliably, safely, and faster than ever before. The future of batteries is solid, and it's closer than you think.